Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn by creating Instagram accounts. First, make sure you have the Telegram app installed on your phone, whether iOS or Android, then log in or create a Telegram account. Open Telegram and tap on search, then type Easyfarmerbux. Look for the official bot and check reviews or the number of users to avoid scams. Tap Start at the bottom of the bot chat, then read the instructions and rules carefully. Now select the task related to create Instagram accounts or referring accounts. The bot will provide instructions on usernames, email formats, and password patterns. Use unique emails such as Gmail, Outlook, or temporary email services. Then follow the bot's instructions to create the account. After that, submit the created accounts back to the bot as proof. Only create accounts permitted by the bot and do not spam Instagram. Each approved Instagram account will give you credits or points in the bot. You can check your balance by typing /balance or by using the bot's menu. Once you reach the minimum withdrawal, choose the withdrawal option. You can usually withdraw to a PayPal, a crypto wallet like USDT, or other supported payment methods. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.